Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying with your family. Yes, that's very good. Alright, dear students, I have got mathematics and we will do comprehension A. Okay, so dear students, you must remember that yesterday we have learnt about another fruit. Okay, we were at the activity fruits and we have already done these three fruits, and yesterday we have started another fruit. But what was the name of that fruit? I have told you. Yes, it's banana. Yes, the banana. And what is the color of banana? The color of banana is yellow. And when you can find it, you can find it all the year. Okay. So, first of all, we will recall and we will take a look at the banana. Okay. So that we know that what is the color of it, and then we will do the coloring. Here, dear students, I have got these banana for you, and you can see that it has got a yellow color. Okay, so what will we do? We will do a yellow color in the banana over here. Okay, so what you are going to do, you will hold the yellow color in your hand like this. Okay, आपको मैंने कलर होल्ड करने का तरीका बताया है ना. आपने अपने हाथ में कलर इस तरह से पकड़ना है and then you will start coloring. Okay, so just like this you will start your coloring, but dear students, you must have to be careful that your color should be neat. Okay, and it should not come out of the boundary line. ठीक है, आपकी बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर कलर नहीं आना चाहिए, और जो वाइट स्पॉट्स हैं आप उसको भी कवर करेंगे. ओके, सी, isn't it nice? Yes, it is very nice. Good. Yeah, we have done the coloring almost, and see, it's quite easy to do the coloring in it. See, it won't take much time. इतना टाइम भी नहीं लगा, और हमारा यहाँ पे कितना अच्छा सा कलर हो गया बनाना में. अभी हम इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ब्लैक कलर करेंगे, बिकॉज बनाना में इसकी टिप और हेड के ऊपर क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा ब्लैक स्पॉट होता है. ठीक है, एंड की टिप पे भी इसका ब्लैक स्पॉट होता है. ऑलराइट, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट द मैंगो. ओके, and you must remember our cute little friend Mango, and he said hi to you yesterday. He comes again to tell you that, dear students, I am banana. Okay, and you can eat me all the year. You can make wonderful things with me. All right, dear students. Okay, so you tell me that do you remember what we have made yesterday with the banana? Yes, we have made a fruit salad, and in the fruit salad we have got what? We have got a palm tree. Okay, so you can also make fruit salads with some creative ideas. All right, so we have learned about one new fruit today. Last time, in the last weeks, we have learnt about apple, orange, mango, and today we have got banana. Yes, we have done the activity of banana as well. We have done the coloring, and now we can recognize it. So dear students, we have got 4 fruits done on this page: apple, orange, mango, banana. Yes, very good. Already, dear students, you must have to learn the name of these fruits, and you must know the color of all these fruits. Okay, so in the next week, inshallah, we will do an assessment. हम आप लोगों की थोड़ी सी assessment करेंगे, छोटा सा एक टेस्ट लेंगे, ताकि हमें पता चले कि आपको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है ना? So dear students, you must have to learn the names of these fruits, and then how to do the coloring in them, and what is the color of these fruits. Let's take a revision. Apple, red color. Orange, orange color. mango, yellow color, and then banana, yellow color. That's very good. Okay, dear students, that's all from today's lecture. I hope that you people will learn all these fruits and you will definitely eat all these as well, because fruit is very good for your health. So keep learning, keep eating good foods, and take care of yourself. Meet you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.